6 years. That's how long it took Pocket FM to reach its first $200 million in ARR. And then it added the next $200 million in just 12 months. Same company, same product, completely different engine. This is what happens when AI rewrites an entire industry's cost structure. Pocket FM crossed $400 million ARR at 5% EBITDA. Free cash flow positive. A combination which has managed to wreak havoc for almost every audio platform that has come before it. And this gets illustrated through these numbers. Spotify spent $1 billion plus acquiring podcast networks, resulting in years of losses and a slow path to profitability. And then, of course, we have to talk about Amazon, which folded Wondery into its own ecosystem. Same problem. Production costs were too high, content scaled slowly, revenue never caught up. Meanwhile, Pocket FM changed the arithmetic. At the center is an AI native storytelling system, a fiction co-pilot trained on billions of minutes of listener data. And this is what it does. Raw idea to dramatize series in minutes, predicts hits before production, and adapts stories across languages instantly and optimizes engagement in real time. 300,000 creators, 80,000 hours of content every month. And that actually accounts for more than what entire streaming platforms used to produce in a year. So what this has done for Pocket FM, the platform now generates that level of content every single day. And now, of course, for the real signal, a first-time creator from Hyderabad made $50,000 in a single month from a United States audience. That was possible only because distribution is global, translation is automatic, cultural context is adapted in real time, which means the advantage is the data. 104 billion minutes of listening. Every minute feeds back into the system. Every show improves the next show. And every quarter strengthens the prediction engine. Of course, most people still think AI-generated content becomes commoditized. They're looking at the wrong input. The value is not in generating content. The value is in knowing what people would keep listening to. And Pocket FM has more of that signal than almost anyone right now in audio. To give you an overview rather quickly, this is what has changed. Entertainment used to be high cost, low volume, slow iteration. Now it's become low cost, high volume, fast feedback loops. And here, of course, is the front page take. In simple words, Pocket FM rewired how storytelling scales. And if this model holds, the next Netflix won't be built in Hollywood. It'll be probably trained on data. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, your comments matter a lot to us. Think AI, think AIM.